पिछले 11 साल से जो यूवी ने किया है उसके बारे में मुझे बताने की जरूरत नहीं है और मैं समझता हूं कि अब वो इंजरी से उभर कर बहुत फिट लग रहे हैं। साउथ अफ्रीका में जिस तरह वो फील्डिंग कर रहे थे, बॉलिंग कर रहे थे, बैटिंग कर रहे थे, बड़े अच्छे निक में दिख रहे हैं और मुझे ये उम्मीद है और मेरा ये दिल कहता है कि ये वर्ल्ड कप है इट विल बी वेरी स्पेशल और मुझे बड़ी खुशी होगी। मैं खुदा से दुआ करता हूं कि ये वर्ल्ड कप एक युवराज सिंह वर्ल्ड कप बन के रह जाए तो मैं समझूंगा मेरी जिंदगी के सारे सपने, सारे मनोरथ पूरे हो गए। और ये वर्ल्ड कप इसलिए भी जरूरी है क्योंकि सचिन जी की, जिनको मैं अपने बेटे की तरह मानता हूं, मैं ये मानता हूं कि मेरा उनका कोई पुराने जन्मों का रिश्ता है और उनके लिए, ऐसे महान आदमी, ऐसे महान प्लेयर के लिए यूवी अगर जीत के लाएगा, इंडियन टीम जीत के लाएगी तो मुझे बड़ी बड़ी खुशी होगी। I think life is such ups and downs, that part of life, and I have taught my son one thing: to never give in. Probably this exists in our blood. Whether you are walking all alone by yourself or people are walking beside your shoulders, you are there. It is you all alone. And I think that teaching which my father gave it to me, I passed it on to my son, though it was very disciplined and very strict. And I think he is one of the greatest players I have ever seen. And I am so happy that he's born in my family and I really salute him. Form is one thing which everybody goes through a lean period. The greatest players on this earth have gone through a lean period. If you're averaging 58 or you're averaging 50, I think that means you are failing in 5 games out of 10 games. Otherwise, people like Don Bradman was averaging 99.9 means they are getting 100 runs in every inning. So form comes and goes. Some form stays longer time. I think people like the great players like Virender Sehwag, the great players like Sachin Tendulkar, the great players like Dravid and Sourav Ganguly and all these players, I think they have gone through a lean period. So looking upon the other aspect also, that Yuvraj has gone through great injuries, you know, his knee injury, his shoulder injury, his wrist injury, and I think it is very important, it was very important for him to take a break, take a rest, which I think should have been done. But I think he's back on the field and his fitness is looking much better. And you will see things will change and things will happen for the country and for the team. I have always been of this opinion that if you have got 100, if you got a double 100, or if you got runs, you should see how many balls you have middled. I think even if you get 100 or 150, if you keep on correcting your faults, that how many balls you have middled, I think that makes you a better player. I think if you look at Sachin Tendulkar all the time, I think even if he gets double 100 or 300s, he always thinks that more can be improved, where I went wrong. So I think the only advice I have given UV is that you should study your innings, every inning you play, and if you're getting out to a very good ball, that's a different story altogether. But if you're getting out yourself, you should realize that what you're doing, and if you rectify your mistakes, as early as possible, it makes you a great player.